Hello and welcome to ThermoLab. This is just going to be a quick walkthrough of everything you need to get started on the desktop edition. So when you start the simulation, you'll be greeted with this quick little settings screen. You can enable or disable the music if you'd like, and then you can start in full screen. We do recommend starting in full screen if you're able to. That'll just make everything a bit smoother. So if once we're ready, we can go into start here. That takes a moment to load. But now that we're in the simulation, the main thing you need to know is anything that you'd like to interact with. Usually you can do that by clicking on it. And so right now we're in sandbox mode up here, and we can enable or disable our various tools. And then we can click and drag on these sliders in order to move them. Like so. As you'll notice from that pop-up there, if I ever want to move a slider more precisely, say I want a specific value of heat, I can click and drag and then hold shift to make that slider more sensitive. So that's what you need to know to interact with these sliders here. If you need to complete a lab, then you can go up to the tablet into the lab button here, and that will let you examine these different lab options. When we want to start one of these, we can just click into it and then complete the tasks as they come. If you're in sandbox mode, for example, and you don't need this tablet, you can hide it with this button here. Just give you a cleaner view of everything. That should be everything you need to get started.